Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about forms in React. Forms in React are essential for collecting user input and enabling interaction. React efficiently manages form data updates and dynamically adjusts the user interface in response to user input. For instance, in a login form, React can capture the user's credentials as they type and display real-time feedback such as password strength indicators or error messages. This seamless updating process enhances the overall user experience and streamlines data submission within web applications. When working with forms in React, you can utilize HTML form elements such as input, text area, and select. By using the value property, you can control the form elements within your React application. To handle changes made to these form elements, you can employ the onChange event. For instance, if you have a form that collects user information such as name and email address, you can use input elements for each field and update the values using the value property. By setting up an onChange event handler, you can ensure that any changes made by the user are captured and reflected in the React application in real time. This approach provides a way to create interactive and dynamic forms within React, enhancing the overall user experience and ensuring that data input by users is effectively managed and processed. A simple form component in React is showcased in the example provided. It consists of a functional component named SimpleForm that utilizes React's useState hook to manage a single input field's value. The component renders a form with a text input field and a submit button. The input value state stores the current value of the input field, and it gets updated as the user types into the field. The handle change function modifies the input value state whenever the input field's value changes. The handle submit function logs the form submission with the current input value to the console when the form is submitted. The form's onSubmit event handler triggers the handle submit function when the user clicks the submit button or presses enter after entering text into the input field. The SimpleForm component demonstrates a basic form setup where user input can be captured and processed within a React application. This form component serves as a foundational example for handling user input in React applications efficiently. When working with forms in React, you can manage form submission by utilizing the onSubmit event on the form element. To prevent the default form submission behavior and process the form data in a custom function, you can employ the preventDefault method. This allows you to control how form data is handled, such as validating inputs or making asynchronous requests. For instance, when a user fills out a form in a React application and clicks the Submit button, the onSubmit event triggers, and preventDefault intervenes to prevent the browser from reloading the page or navigating elsewhere. This enables you to process the form data using JavaScript functions tailored to your specifications, enhancing user experience and data management capabilities. When working with complex forms in React applications, using form libraries such as Formik or React Hook Form can enhance efficiency and maintainability. These libraries offer advanced capabilities for managing form state, validation, submission handling, and error messaging. For instance, Formik simplifies form management by integrating validation rules and error handling within the form components, streamlining the development process. Additionally, React Hook Form optimizes form performance by reducing unnecessary re-renders and providing a hook-based approach for form state management. By leveraging these form libraries, developers can create robust and user-friendly forms while minimizing the complexities associated with form management in React applications. Just like how filling out a survey form helps organize and collect data efficiently, using forms in React helps gather user input and manage state in an organized manner. A form component in React is like a physical form you fill out at a doctor's office. It has fields for you to input your information, like name, date of birth, and reason for visit. Submitting the filled form in React is similar to handing in your completed survey. The data is collected and processed, triggering a specific action or outcome in the program. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. This React component, survey form, demonstrates the use of forms in React by incorporating the useState hook to manage form data. The form contains fields for name, date of birth, and reason for visit. The handleChange function dynamically updates the form data state whenever the user interacts with the form fields. It uses object destructuring to extract the name and value properties from the event target and updates the corresponding property in the form data state using the spread operator. When the user submits the form, the handleSubmit function is triggered. This function prevents the default form submission behavior and can be used to process the collected data. In this example, the collected data is logged to the console, but you can customize this function to perform actions such as sending data to a server or displaying a confirmation message. By providing a user-friendly interface for inputting data, this form component can be used in various applications, such as survey forms, registration forms, feedback forms, and more. The ability to capture user input and respond to form submissions makes this component a versatile tool for building interactive and engaging web applications. In the industrial world, companies use forms extensively for data collection and user interaction. One common real-world example of forms in React is an employee onboarding form. When a new employee joins a company, they are required to fill out various details such as personal information, contact details, emergency contacts, etc. Utilizing React forms, companies can create a user-friendly onboarding form that captures all necessary information efficiently. Another application of forms in React can be found in e-commerce platforms. When a customer places an order, they are required to fill in their shipping address, payment details, and any special instructions. By using React forms, e-commerce websites can provide a smooth checkout experience, validating user input on the fly and ensuring that all necessary information is collected accurately. Across the globe, React forms play a crucial role in enhancing user engagement and streamlining data collection processes for a wide range of industries and applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.